Do these things and you surely will fail the board exam. 100% sure. Number 1, don't take the exam. Many things that by not taking the exam, they will not fail. But if you will check it in the simplified Webster dictionary, the meaning of failure is not pass or unsuccessful. If you don't pass, you fail. So same thing. If you will not apply for a work, you will not be rejected. But you will not have any work. Pag hindi ka nanligaw, hindi ka mabasted. Pero hindi ka magka-girlfriend. Di ba? So, the sure way to fail is never ever try. Don't take the exam, you fail. Second, don't take a review. Even if you take the board exam but without proper preparation, you will fail. Hindi nakukuha sa tsamba ang board exam. Yung tsumamba ng sagot is one thing, yung matsambahan yung tamang sagot is another thing. And still another thing, yung makatsamba ka ng 70% na tamang sagot. At it's still another thing, yung makatsamba ka ng 70% sa tatlong subjects. Huwag kang mag-review, bagsak ka. Number 3, maraming gumagawa nito, kaya nawawala ang momentum. Discontinue your review. Nagsimula, pero hindi tinuloy ang pagre-review, pero tumuloy sa exam. Parehas din yan nang hindi ka nag-review. Never discontinue your review. Ang sinisimulan, tinatapos. Ano ang katapusan ng review? Ang katapusan ng review, dapat pumasa ka sa board exam. Number 4, delay your review. May kasabihan tayo, the longer you delay it, the harder it gets. Katulad nito, lagi ako nakaka-receive ng messages sa internet, no, sa page namin, nag-i-inquire, 59 years old na daw siya, kaya pa ba na niyang pumasa? Obviously, dinelay niya ang pag-review at pag-take ng board exam. At age 59, kailangan niya na mag-take ng board exam at ipasa ito. So, medyo mas magiging mahirap na, hindi imposible, pero mas mahirap na. So, if you want to fail the board exam, delay it and delay it longer. Worried ka ba dahil ayaw mo nang bumagsak ulit? Matutulungan kita. Just send us a message and we'll guide you sa next steps.